Hey guys, this is Dad's Toys and Things, and today let's talk about pouch organizers or tech organizers. Now, these are the two that I use most when I'm traveling, and one of them is more expensive than the other, but I will also tell you which one I prefer uh, and why. Let's start off with this Totinit, and this one is really good. You can see that the material here is very smooth, and from the outside there is also a pouch right here. As you can see, you can put some things in there, and right inside there you go. So you could put in a lot of items in here. There are, see, these pouches in here, and then of course a big right here in the middle on one of the side, I mean. And also you have all of this to organize whatever you're bringing. And right in the middle there is a zippered pouch here. There you go. And this is RFID protected, and on the other side you will see the same thing. See the straps right here, so you can put some of your cable, they don't fall off, and it's going to be easier for you to grab them. Now I'm going to show you this one, and for the most part this is the one that I always bring with me. It's from a company named Inateck, and later on I'm going to tell you which one is more expensive than the other and why. Okay, so here, as you can see at the bottom, they're pretty much similar in construction. Right here, this is a different type of canvas, a little bit rough. This is soft, not soft but smooth, a little bit smooth. This is a little bit rough, and there's two zippers here, which is one of the things that I didn't like about this one. So you only have one zipper. This one you have two. Okay, and both of them got a handle on one side. This one doesn't have the Inateck doesn't have an outside zipper, which is fine by me. But look, when you open it up, these are the items that I have in here. So this is my charging pouch. I have here a charger for LPE6. This is for my Canon EL5 battery, and I have another charger here. This is for LCE17. This is for my Canon R50, and I got one here for my DJI Action Pro. So that's one side, and the other side I have here my charger for my laptop, and I have here my charger for my Phoenix flashlight. So you can see this already came from here, and I have here also cables here. I have here one of the Insignia, the USB port, USB hub I mean. And what else? Okay, I have a small rig arm. This is for my camera if I wanted to mount an additional light, and in a very peculiar way, because this one you can mount it and then, you know, twist it over direction that you need. In the middle, this one also have, oh okay, and I have another USB here, card reader. This is my card reader. This is from Anchor, and right in the middle, as you can see, you also have a zipper. It's not RFID protected. I don't you know, I'm not gonna use it for anything that requires RFID. This is my tech pouch, but as you can see, one of the things that I do like about this is the gray color. It's very easy for you to find stuff inside compared to this. The tone in it, the only one that's a little bit grayish is the middle, but for the most part everything is black. See, it's not a big pouch, so it's not difficult to find stuff, but still, having this particular color, if you have something as small as this, you could easily lose it inside that bag. So you can see that. There you go. The most that it would open up is like this, which is I like. I don't want it to open up fully and then drop everything that's inside. The other thing that this one has is a pencil or pen holder right here. This one doesn't have any pen holder, I believe. I might be wrong. Oh, it does. See this right here. See the thing when it's so dark? Sometimes you don't even notice it. Okay, here again, the middle, and I have another one here, which you could easily lose inside the bag because of the color. So if this is one here, sometimes you might miss it. So this is for my Joby. This is the Joby for my camera, and you can see all this stuff right here fit nicely inside, and it's not that bulky. If you can see it a while ago, it's really nice. I can just throw it in my bag. I could throw it in my carry-on, which I normally do. I would put this on my carry-on. I don't want to put it in my check-in luggage. So between the two, I like this one the better, and I will show you why. So here, if I try to put everything same way, okay, so let's do this. And I could drop this in the middle, and same thing did this one. Drop it in, drop it in. Now I already have a hard time closing it. In fact, I can't close them. If you look at these two, they're about the same size outside, but because this thing is a little bit more rigid, this thing is a little bit harder, it doesn't flex, so I can't really close it. Let's see what I do. See if I can. I might be able to force it. Yeah, might be able to force it. Yeah, but it is difficult. See, yeah, I can force it like that. Yeah, it's I don't know, but and again, this only has one zipper. And if I go back here, I'm just gonna quickly throw everything inside. So make sure I didn't miss anything here. Okay, so this is empty. Oh, almost missed this one. That's what I'm saying when the inside is dark. Now put this in here, put this in here just like what I did with the other one, and then put this in here. Now if I close it, because the material is softer, I'm able to close it faster, and it's still not as bulky as this one would be when everything is inside. And guess what? This is cheaper. This is about 24 bucks when I bought it. This I bought it on sale, but it still cost me about 40 bucks. So if I'm not bringing a lot, I might bring this one. Yeah, because if you're bringing something that a little bit sensitive, this would provide a better protection, because there's a foam material inside of the this fabric right here. I can peel the foam material in here. This doesn't have it. It does have it, but it's thinner. But these are all chargers, right? There's nothing in here that will break if I throw it anywhere. Well, if I throw it that hard, yes, but you know, throwing it in the bag and things like that, it's not gonna break anything. And here you go. And there you have it. These are my most used tack organizers. I have smaller ones. I think I showed it to you in my previous video. But those ones are the one that I also put in my personal item bag. This is gonna be inside my carry-on. Those smaller ones are gonna be inside the personal item bag. And once again, you know, thank you for watching. I really appreciate your support. I now have about 5,200 subscribers, and I can't thank you enough. I mean, I can't keep on doing this without your support. And you know, just the likes, the share, the subscription, that helps a lot. That keeps me going, and that allows me to share most of my stuff, or you know, the things that I make my life a little bit fun, if I might say it that way, and share them to you. So also don't forget to click that notification bell so you will know when a new video is out. And we'll see you on my next one. Bye.